Hi, I'm Calvin, and here's how to delete files in Dropbox. Open Dropbox on dropbox.com, your computer, or the mobile app. Find the file that you want to delete and select it. Need to delete more than one? Just click the checkbox next to the files you want to delete. Or another easy way is to bulk select. Click your first file, hold Shift, then click the last files checkbox for an easier way to select multiple files. Click the three dots next to the file and choose Delete. Or you can right click the file and hit delete, then confirm your action. Deleted something by mistake? Go to the deleted files on Dropbox.com and restore it within your plan's recovery window. And that's it. Your Dropbox is a little bit cleaner now. If you think Dropbox would help anyone else, please share this video with them. And if you enjoyed this type of content, please like and subscribe to our channel. We'll be bringing you more creative ways on how to use Dropbox.